how to fix your foundation shade. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the before and after. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your foundation shade. If you got your foundation shade wrong, or the tone of your foundation is different from your skin shade, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to correct it. And it's just in a very simple way. You're going to be correcting this with your powder. Yeah, if you are using a single powder, you need to get another powder because I'm using a palette. As you can see in the palette has a lot of shades in it. So I'll be going for a dark shade. I'll be going for that shade. As you can see, that's the shade I'm going for. Then I'm going to powder my face with that shade to tone down the foundation color to come to my shade. You get me? If the foundation you applied is dark for you, you use a powder that is lighter than your shade so that everything will rhyme. But this tone of foundation is a little bit different, like the tone is different, so I have to use that shade to darken it a bit. So I was powdering my face with that shade. You need to powder your face very well. That's what I was doing. I powder my face, and whenever I'm powdering my face, I powder my face and check by using my hand to check on my skin to make sure that my skin is very dry. That's how I know that I've powdered my face very well. So you need to powder your face very well so that everything will clock in. You get me? So this is a very simple makeup trick that you can use if your foundation shade is not matching your shade, your skin shade or your skin tone. Just look for something darker than your shade, then use it, and then everything will then rhyme in. And as you are blending it, you need to check to make sure that it is equally rhyming in. You get me? With your mirror, you need to check to confirm that what you are doing, that you are getting it. As you can see, I brought my face closer so that you understand what I'm saying. You get me? As you can see, this is my shade. Everything is now looking the same. No harsh lines, no different shades and tones on my face. So yeah, this is how to fix your foundation shade if you got it wrongly. You get me? So you guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Sorry, I don't really like doing voiceovers, and I'll be doing voiceovers now. So bear with me, guys.